All right, so I'm going to explain to you how to use this worksheet. All right, the first thing you're going to remember is for each question, you're going to tell me if it is synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, double replacement, or combustion. You're going to do that at the beginning on the line. So you're going to tell me the type first. The next piece you're going to do is you're going to tell me the subtype, okay? And so that's going to come off of page 6 of your reference table. So if you look at your page 6 of your reference table, notice for this example, it's telling us it's D, which means it's decomposition, right? Then it's telling us our subtype is C. So that means on the reference table, the subtype is listed. And so we look at the subtype under decomposition, and subtype C is a metallic hydrogen carbonate. So on this example, we notice that it is that one because we had a sodium hydrogen carbonate. So that is why we listed that it was subtype C. And then we follow the recipe off of the reference guide. So for that one, for subtype C, it tells us that this reaction is going to form a metal, so it's going to start with a metal hydrogen carbonate, and it's going to form a metal oxide, whatever the metal is in that actual problem, plus water and CO2. So the key words I'm going to look for in the actual example for the right answer are going to be CO2 and water. And if we look at that one, we'll notice there is a typo in this one, by the way. So right here, instead of carbonate, it should say oxide. So please change that. All right. And we notice it says water and carbon dioxide. So we know that's the right answer choice. So we circle this one because it's going to form sodium oxide plus water plus carbon dioxide. These other ones don't match the reaction pattern off of this, okay? So if we look at the next one, let's do number 1 real fast. So it gives us silver oxide. That's one compound. Which type of reaction is one compound? You can say it. When it breaks down, it's one thing. It's going to be decomposition. So we go to decomposition. So on our reference table, let's look at decomposition and see which subtype would decomposition make sense, right? So we have silver oxide. So which one? A. So A says binary. That means we have two things. We have the silver and oxide, right? And they're going to break down into silver and what? Oxygen. So we're looking for the answer choice. That's silver and oxygen. So let's fill that all in. All right. So what type did we say it was? Decomposition. So we put a D. What subtype did we say it was? A. And then what answer choice is telling us the right products? D, because it's silver and oxygen. Why is it not A?
Because oxide is not an element.
Exactly. Oxide is not an element. That would imply that it is not diatomic. Remember, this is going to be Ag plus O2. Remember, oxygen is diatomic when it breaks apart and is by itself. Okay? Make sense? So you're going to complete the rest of this worksheet using page 6 of your reference table and make sure that you're attempting each one and writing the type, subtype, and answer.